All right, Aisha. In the last session, you told us about your early fear of speaking English and how you started practicing alone. Self-talk, songs, podcasts, and movies. That was great.
Yes, sir. Those things helped me a lot. But still, I was afraid to talk to other people.
I understand. That's the next big challenge. Speaking in front of people. When you practice alone, you feel safe. But when you speak to others, your mind says, "What if I make a mistake?"
Yes, sir. That happened to me. I was afraid people would judge me.
Let's pause for a moment. That word, judge, means to form an opinion about someone, right?
Yes, sir. I thought others would think I was not smart if I spoke wrongly.
I understand. But let me tell you something important. Nobody becomes fluent by staying silent. You have to speak to get better. Mistakes are part of the journey.
Yes, sir. You are right. But how could I start?
Let's discuss that. How did you first start speaking to others in English?
One day, my English teacher at school gave us a group activity. We had to discuss a topic in English. I didn't want to speak, but my teacher encouraged me. She said, "Aisha, don't worry about mistakes. Just try."
That's a very supportive teacher. What happened next?
I spoke only 2 sentences. My grammar was wrong, my pronunciation was not good, but I spoke, and everyone clapped for me.
That's wonderful. That's the moment your confidence started to grow.
Yes, sir. After that, I felt proud. I realized that when we try, people respect our effort.
Exactly. That's the truth. People appreciate effort more than perfection. Let's practice a few useful expressions for encouragement. It's okay to make mistakes. The more you speak, the better you become. Confidence comes with practice.
It's okay to make mistakes. The more you speak, the better you become. Confidence comes with practice.
Excellent. Now, after that class activity, did you continue speaking in English with friends?
Yes, slowly. I started talking to one of my classmates who also wanted to learn English. We decided to speak in English during break time.
That's an excellent idea, having a speaking partner. When you talk to someone at your level, you both grow together.
Yes, sir. At first, we used only simple sentences like, "How are you? What did you eat? Where are you going?" But later, we started longer conversations.
That's great progress. Let's check grammar here. You used the past tense in "What did you eat?" That's correct. We use did plus base verb to talk about past events.
Oh, okay. Like, what did you do yesterday?
Exactly. Perfect example.
Sir, sometimes we made funny mistakes, but we laughed and corrected each other.
That's the best way to learn. Laughter makes learning easy. Never be afraid to laugh at your mistakes. It means you are learning.
Yes, sir. We enjoyed it. Then, after a few weeks, I joined an English-speaking club in my town.
That's impressive, Aisha. What did you do in that club?
We practiced short speeches, storytelling, and sometimes small debates.
Wonderful! That's real communication practice. How did you feel during your first session?
Very nervous. My heart was beating fast. I almost wanted to go home.
That's normal. Many people feel the same before speaking publicly. But what made you stay?
I remembered what you always say, sir. Confidence means speaking without fear. So I took a deep breath and spoke.
That's beautiful, Aisha. Let's share that tip with our listeners. When you feel nervous before speaking, do 3 things. 1. Take a deep breath. 2. Smile. 3. Speak slowly. These 3 steps help your body relax.
Yes, sir. When I smiled, I felt lighter and calmer.
Good. Now, let's talk about pronunciation practice. When you joined the speaking club, how did you improve your pronunciation?
We practiced tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters. Those are fun. Can you give me one example?
Yes. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Excellent. Let's say it slowly together. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now faster.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Perfect. Tongue twisters help your mouth move quickly and correctly. They also improve your clarity, how clearly people understand you.
Yes, sir. I practice them daily.
That's wonderful. Let's also talk about intonation. Do you know what that means?
Maybe the way we raise or lower our voice when speaking?
Exactly. Intonation is the music of your voice. For example, when you ask a question, your tone goes up. Are you ready? But in a statement, it goes down. I am ready.
Oh, that helps make English sound more natural.
Yes, very good. Try saying these sentences. 1. Are you ready? 2. I am ready.
Are you ready? I am ready.
Excellent. Hear the difference?
Yes, sir. It sounds more natural and confident.
That's how native speakers sound, because they use intonation and stress.
I will practice that, sir.
Good. Another tip. Record your voice when you speak English. When you listen to yourself, you notice mistakes and improve faster.
Oh, yes. I did that before. At first, I didn't like my voice, but then I saw progress.
That's how growth feels. We all start imperfect, but with each recording, we become clearer, more confident, more natural.
Yes, sir. Now I even help my younger brother with English.
That's wonderful, Aisha. Teaching someone else helps you remember what you learned.
Yes, sir. It also makes me feel proud.
You should feel proud. You are an example of how practice and patience can change everything.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let's summarize this part for our listeners. To build speaking confidence. 1. Find a speaking partner. 2. Don't worry about mistakes. 3. Join English clubs or groups. 4. Practice pronunciation with tongue twisters. 5. Use intonation. Make your voice alive. 6. Record yourself and listen.
Yes, sir. These steps really helped me.
Excellent. Now, let's review some useful expressions you can use when talking about speaking practice. I started speaking English with my friends. I was nervous at first, but I tried. My confidence improved day by day. I learned from my mistakes. Practice made me stronger.
I started speaking English with my friends. I was nervous at first, but I tried. My confidence improved day by day. I learned from my mistakes. Practice made me stronger.
Beautiful, Aisha.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. In the next segment, we'll talk about how reading, writing, and listening helped you improve your English even more, and how confidence grows from all 4 skills together.
Okay, sir. I'm ready for the next part.